This project is PC based contactless temperature monitoring and visitor counting for COVID-19. Here, hardware connections are Arduino on its data board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Two IR sensor connected to Arduino digital pins. Contactless temperature sensor MLX 90614 connected to Arduino I2C pins and placed at entrance. USB to serial adapter connected from Arduino to desktop or laptop. Here we have to select the compound option. Compound 6. Baud rate is 9600. Now open. Compound opened. Here it is asking to save data file in. Please click on file button. OK. And open the file. Here we have to create the new notepad file. File name is C. We have to select the C. Here, two IR sensors placed at entrance and exit of hall or auditorium. If visitor will entrance in auditorium, then it will display on LCD along with the temperature of each visitors. We can see on LCD count 1 and temperature, and we can see here visitor count and temperature. At the same way, visitor will exit, then count will decrease. We can see on LCD. Data will displaying on software as we can see like this. This data will saved in text file. Now we have to open the C file. We can see all the visitor data with respect to date and time.